How's it going, everybody? I'm in here working on a bathroom right now. I've got to paint the walls and ceilings, and I've got a quick tip of the day. I don't know how many people have shown little techniques on texturing repairs. These are little tiny spots that were screw pops that I fixed them up with some filler, sanded them, and a little technique for doing texture spots. This would apply if you have a bigger patch as well. I don't know if you guys agree or not, but I always go in a circular motion, starting from the inside out, a little spiral. Take it out. And one thing that helps with these little aerosol cans is putting them in warm water to warm them up. It makes them spray a lot easier. All right, guys, have a great day. Okay, now that those spots have dried, I'll show you what they look like up close. Now, after you saw me shoot them, I checked them out as they dried, and the texture was a little bit fine. So what I did is I turned up the size of the spray just a tiny bit, and just gave them a super quick spritzing, and kind of evened them out so you didn't see just spots, and it took literally a couple seconds. So here's my texture can, and if you turn this knob to the right, so it's pointing this way, that's a finer texture, and if you hook it to the left there, it should be a thicker texture. You'll see that? And so I usually start out in about the middle. And the stuff I have on the wall here is actually it's a larger texture. It's not bad. So these are going to blend in real nice after 2 coats of paint. And what I do, let me grab my sponge, a sanding sponge over here. So the walls have already been sanded sufficiently enough for me to paint, but since this texture is going to stick out maybe the tiniest bit, and especially if it were larger texture, what I do is I just very lightly take the sanding sponge, I custom drilled the holes for a vacuum, and just barely touch it across the surface. Like that, and that's all it needs. I have no pressure on the wall. I'm holding the sponge like this so it's not pushing down, or else it's going to take out that texture. Okay, so there's a little quick tutorial on texture spot repairs. Thanks for watching my video, guys. If you like any of my videos, give a thumbs up, please, and subscribe to XC Painter for more painting content. Have a good one.